Sometimes I'll do a quick sketch in my journal, and for whatever reason I put it away, or time just keeps me from finishing or going further with it, and then I'll go sit down the next time and I won't work on that page at all. So this is just a little sketch that I did, I don't know, a month ago maybe. And so now I'm gonna make it a page. Now some pages that I've done on either side of it have bled some onto this. Doesn't matter, this is an art journal. It's the beautiful thing about it. So I'm just going to start putting down some color for a background. And then I'll do what I love to do, which is build layers on top and then finish off with my figure. So I don't really know where I'm going to go today with this. I haven't thought this out. I haven't planned it. I haven't even entitled this video yet. But I just thought you might like to see just intuitive painting. Just getting down and playing with your supplies and seeing what happens. You might like it, you might not, but you're going to learn something every time you sit down to do something. So I'm just going to get started putting some color down. So now I've just done the background, and I'm sitting here seeing that I've dripped paint and then smeared it with my hands, and now I know I do not want to do a pristine perfect figure. I want to do a very loose painterly figure. But now I want to try to find some complementary colors that aren't the same as what I've been using for her face. So I'm just going to play. I have no idea what's going to happen. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting to a stopping point. What I have to make myself do in situations like this is stop and rest, because what I will tend to do is overwork, and I think we all can do that. And my goal in this is to loosen up, not overthink what I'm doing, just play, have fun, see what happens, just be more intuitive, just let whatever flows from my hands go on the page. And move it around, but not define it too much. And I like that approach. I don't always do that. I have very meticulous drawings and sketches and things like that. But I need to remind myself to loosen up. And I think that's what keeps us all from maybe pursuing more artistic endeavors, because, you know, you wouldn't want to put something like this out. I've done pages for videos that I'm not thrilled with them at the end. I mean, I don't think they're works of art, but it's a journal. It's where you are that day. It's what you're trying. It's what's going through your head. It's a form of self-expression day to day, and you change every day. You have different emotions every day. you are seeing life in different colors every day. So just enjoy the process. And I'm going to stop here. I'm not saying I'm not going to come back and do something else, but I'm going to really make myself not come back and define and put too much detail in, because I want the messy, colorful, creative life. You know, that's kind of what I want for my life. That's what I want for this page. So I'll sleep on it, come back to it, see if I want to do anything else, and I may just leave it like it is and keep going. So stay with me. So this is the next day, and I'm just sitting down and I'm wanting to add just a little bit more color to her and some highlights in her hair. So that's what I'm doing here without getting too detailed in the work. But I love the shining silvers that come out since I've let my hair go natural, and so that's what I want to give her. And then I'm adding my lettering. It's nothing beautiful. I just draw lines and pencil it in first and then go over it with a good Sharpie, or in this case, a Sakura pen that I know is permanent. But it's look for perfection in the imperfect. So that's a good message for myself every day. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please subscribe, leave me a comment. If you want to be notified when I put new videos up, hit that little bell and it'll send you a little notification when I've got something new coming out. And now it's your turn. Go play. Get out your scissors, get out your glue, your paints, your crayons, whatever you have. And just sit down and have a good time and enjoy yourself and express yourself creatively. So I'll see you next time.